Right, so here we are in very sunny Belgrade. It's about 35 degrees. We're at the FEMS Conference on Microbiology. I'm here with Marie Legein, who has been giving a very interesting talk about bumblebees and microbes, which she will fill us in a little bit. I just wanted to ask you first, how is the conference for you so far?
Very nice, actually. It's very nice to have a live conference again compared to all the online things that happened the last 2 years. So it's very nice to be here, to meet the scientists in person, to talk with them, to network, to be in contact with different science topics also, because if you're online you kind of choose only the topics of your own field, and now I'm watching all the different topics that are a bit outside my field, so it's very nice.
Awesome. And so can you give me a brief overview of the talk that you gave yesterday afternoon?
Yeah, so my research was on the phyllosphere microbiome, so the bacteria that live on plants, specifically the plants growing in greenhouses, because we know bacteria are important for plant health, and we also know that the greenhouse environment kind of results in a less diverse microbiome on the plants. So we wanted to look on the bacteria that live on the plants. And then we also looked at associations between the microbiome on plants and the microbiome on bumblebees and predatory mites. Bumblebees are introduced in the greenhouses for pollination and the predatory mites for pest control. But they also introduce bacteria in the greenhouses, and that's what I looked into and explained yesterday.
Okay, so the bumblebees bring little microbes attached to their exterior and then bring them into the plants in the greenhouses.
Yeah, that's correct. Specifically Snodgrassella heliamella, if you're interested in which bacteria they are.
And so what are the next steps for your research on the basis of this paper then?
Yeah, so the next steps, I've been isolating a lot of bacteria from the phyllosphere, also a little bit from the bumblebees, and characterizing them, identifying them in the lab. Specifically looking for beneficial traits that we can use these bacteria to improve plant health. So maybe in the future we would like to develop new biostimulants, new biocontrol agents to be used in these greenhouses that are a little bit depleted in their microbiome.
Okay, thank you. And so my final question I ask everyone this is, what's your favorite microbe?
Well, that's definitely, it's a long name, it's Lactobacillus fragifolii. It's a new species that we isolated from the leaves of strawberry plants, and it's a Lactobacillus family bacteria that has some interesting properties that seems to be adapted to the plant environment. So it's a very promising new bacteria that we're looking into.
Awesome. Well, thank you for your time today and enjoy the rest of the conference. And I hope you have a nice time here meeting the scientists and enjoying the sweltering heat of Belgrade.
Thank you.